MrBeast is one of the greatest YouTubers who have mastered the art of YouTube thumbnails. Every YouTube thumbnail that MrBeast makes is so great and it earns him a lot of views, which lead to him becoming one of the most viral YouTubers on this very platform. In this video, I'm going to analyze one of his thumbnail and we see what he does to make his thumbnails pop. So if you are new to me, my name is Duncan and this is CEO Figure. So the first thing he does, like for this thumbnail, this is when he was doing a video about an island and he gave some challenges that people were to do and the winner was to take the island. All right, so one of the things that he did on this thumbnail, he considered the large recognizable character. MrBeast is a great image on YouTube and most of the viewers know him. So you find that this character takes almost 35% of the thumbnail, and he uses this character because one, he is recognizable, and so if anyone will see this video and he knows MrBeast, then the probability of them clicking on this video is great, and that increases the CTR, which we call click-through rate for his videos. So the second thing he considered in this very thumbnail is the balance in the colors. Look at these colors. He has considered the contrast. If you look at, for example, look at these headphones. They are red, all right, and he has also a white t-shirt and some reddish in his logo. And you can look at this very, is it yellow or goldish image, and we have some blue here, and we have the white clouds, and we have the blue ocean, and this is a perfect contrast as well as saturation of the colors. He has not messed up with the colors. He's left the colors to be as realistic as possible. If you look at the skies resemble the skies, and the ocean also just resembles the ocean, and some reflection of the clouds. All right, so he has considered the saturation of these very colors to make this very thumbnail pop. Number 3 is the scale. Now, he has used some things in this very thumbnail to show the scale of this very island. So this guy in the parachute, you see, is in a distance. And also look at this yacht. You can see that the yacht is also in the distance, and look at these hills. So he's used these 3 things to show the scale of this very thumbnail. And this shows the size of the island itself, and you would wonder, when will this guy land? So that means he's far away and maybe he wants to land on this very maybe mountain, and the yacht is maybe moving closer to the island or something, and then from the distance of the horizons we have the clouds and of course also the very hills. All right, so he uses these 3 things to tell the scale of this very island. Then next, he pays attention to every detail in this very thumbnail. So these details give the viewer the urge to want to click on this very thumbnail. For example, look at this. We know of the MrBeast burger, so he's put it there. We have his statue, goldish, all right, and then we have of course the hills in the distance, and we have this, I guess it's a game. And so we see that MrBeast pays attention to every detail. You can even look at this, I don't know what this is, you can look at this part, like every detail has been considered, and this, I've said, gives that urge to the viewers to want to click on this video and watch. Next, and the last one, is simplicity. The guy has made it very simple. He has left the yacht to be the yacht. He has resized it well. He has the burger, and everything is simple. He has no big texts here. He has no colors that are mismatching. He has no, just the thumbnail itself is very clear and it is very easy to understand. So if this is as simple as this, it makes the viewer have an easy time to click on it and to watch. So what are you taking home? First, thumbnails helps us to get the CTR. You can either get a high CTR or a low CTR. I've said CTR is click through rate, which will now give us the impression percentage that you're going to get and which translate to our watch hour and of course our views. And MrBeast has mastered this art of creating awesome thumbnails, and it is my urge that we learn from every thumbnail that he makes on his YouTube channel. So use these ideas and have your channel be uplifted. You can be helped through these ideas if you keep your very thumbnails as simple as possible and easy to understand. I am sure that you are going to get views, and that may translate to subscribers. So apart from having these very thumbnails and making them better and doing everything okay, what you also need is for you to deliver, to add value to the person who is watching you, and that comes with a good video idea. To watch the strategy that Penguins Zero uses to earn views on YouTube, that video is here. To watch how MrBeast makes his thumbnails, that video is here. My name is Duncan, this is CEO Figure, and I hope that I will see you in the next video. Peace.